Hello, Graphic Design 2 folks. Welcome to another beautiful week of online learning. So we are going to try and use Adobe Spark again this week. Last week you used it to make a post and do some Andy Warhol inspired artwork. This week we're going to try a different feature of Adobe Spark so you can try and create a web page so you can do this research project that I am assigning you. I'm going to email the tech folks, make sure all these links are unblocked. Please let me know if you can't access anything or if Adobe Spark is glitching out. The sooner you tell me, the sooner I can get on it and try and find solutions for you. So this week your assignment is going to be to choose an artist to research from this Google slideshow. I'm going to post this in your classroom. And then you're going to make an Adobe Spark page for your research project instead of just a regular old Google slide. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through a couple of steps on how you can create a very simple Adobe Spark research project. So the example page I made for you, and again I'm going to put this link in the Google Classroom, looks something like this. So this is Miss Kruger's Adobe Spark page. So up at the top I have my title, which is artist presentation. I have my name. You guys could also put your class period here. And as I scroll down, I have the person's picture who I'm researching, which in this case was Barbara Kruger. Have a photo of the artist, some biography information, and then the thing that I really care about is that you guys are selecting 3 pieces of artwork and talking about them. I care about your opinion, so I want to see why you like this artwork. Use a couple sentences. I like this because it's red isn't a good descriptive sentence. I like this because it's commenting on consumerism is a much better, well-constructed sentence. Okay, so this is what my Adobe Spark page looks like. Again, I'm going to link it to you. When you guys go to create your Spark website, you're going to log into Spark just like you did before. Over on this panel, you're going to hit create a new project and you're going to select web page. So again, it's going to give you kind of an already pre-made layout. I can add my title here, which is going to be research project. I'm going to add my name and class period here. If I want to, I could add a photo. I could upload photos from my computer, like if you find a photo from the artist you're researching that you really like. I could use some free photos online, so let's see if I can find a free photo of a camera. Perfect. And then as you can see, it says start scrolling to write your story. So on this web page, you're going to have this little plus sign. It's going to give you some options. So I can add a photo of the artist or the artworks I'm talking about. I can add text. I could insert a YouTube video if you find any interesting links to videos you see online. You could add a grid. You could put a little mini slideshow. Okay. I'm just going to start by adding some text. Let's see. Artist project, put text here. Would also help if your teacher could spell. Here we go. If I wanted to change this text, I could center align it. I could click on this paintbrush here and I could customize. I could make this text bold. I could add bullet points, which I think a lot of you like to do when you're doing the research projects. I could change it to numbers. Okay, lots of different options. Could make the text bigger or smaller depending on which one of these you're clicking on. I think H2 makes it smaller. Yeah. Okay, I could then add a photo. Again, you can use free photos from the website. You could also upload photos from your computer. Okay. Up top, there's a button here called Themes. So if you click on Themes, Adobe Spark gives you a couple of already pre-made themes. You got a lot of options. So say if I click on Storybook, you can see it changes my font, makes it a little bit scripted up top. I could, I don't know, change it to Trek. Okay, just make sure whatever you do decide, if you are changing colors, size of your font, stuff like that, make sure it's readable, so don't insert bright highlighter yellow Comic Sans font. That would really break my heart. Okay, let's say I'm done, I made my research project, I'm happy with it, I'm ready to show it off to the world. If you go up to that share button, you can hit publish and share link. And then down here, I mean, you could pick a category. For this case, mine's education. It's going to make a link for me. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to copy paste this link and post it in a comment to your Google Classroom assignment. I think you can also, if you're logged into Google Classroom, you can hit this button and it'll automatically post a classroom for you. But either way, make sure you share this link with me somehow, some way in your Google Classroom. Again, if you are trying to do this and for some reason Adobe Spark's being like a pain in the butt to work with, and the themes aren't loading, something's not loading, please make sure you email me. That way I can help you, okay? The sooner you let me know things aren't working, the quicker I can help. Also, you can create your own themes. Some things in here are locked unless you like pay to upgrade. Don't worry about any of that. Just keep using the free program, okay? If you need help, please, please, please email me. I'm here for you, and I hope you guys have a good week.